Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi here, digital and affiliate marketer. Today I am going to be reviewing a piece of software called Thumbnail Blaster. I came across this piece of software probably about a week ago, and I bought this piece of software because I was just not getting good thumbnails for my videos, and I just wanted a piece of software that would get me that I could use to be able to knock out thumbnails very quickly, because I do shoot a lot of videos, and I did a review of Thumbnail Blaster, and I bought it, and yeah, I've been using it since, and I've seen a good improvement in the click-through rates on my videos. Um, who is it for? Basically, if you are a video marketer, affiliate marketer, doing any sort of video marketing on YouTube, this piece of software would definitely help you increase your increase clicks on your videos, and also increase the number of viewings on your videos. With that said, I'm going to do a quick demo just to show you the interface, the dashboard, and yeah, just walk you through what I've been able to do with this piece of software in about a week that I've had it. I'll also show you some improvements on my YouTube channel since I started using the piece of software. So I'm just going to sign in here, and we are going to see the interface. So the first thing you see when you log in is a training video which shows you how to use Thumbnail Blaster. So I'm just going to click off that, and at the moment I've got two YouTube accounts. I've created 24 thumbnails, and I've published 21 thumbnails. I've also got the agency package, so I can basically provide a service to other video creators and help them create their own thumbnails. So the first thing you will see is you will need to basically import your YouTube accounts to be able to use it. It's pretty straightforward to do that. You just need to follow the training video, and you need to just amend a couple of settings to be able to import your videos. So again, there's a training video on how to do that. So I'm going to go back to the actual thumbnail creator, which is where we create a lot of the thumbnails. My machine is a bit slow, so it's taking a tad bit of time to be able to get it up. So I'm back in the interface. So again, this is a training video on how to actually create your thumbnails. I'm just going to click off that, and as you can see, once you import your channel, it will showcase all the videos that are on your channel. So I've actually gone through to change the thumbnails on quite a few of the videos on my channel, and as you can see, I had very boring um, thumbnails before. And basically the way it works is, let's say I want to change the thumbnail on this video. I click a yes, and then I go to next step, and once I click next step, it would again provide me with some training videos on how to select templates. So I'm going to click off that, and basically Tom Blaster uses AI intelligence to suggest what what thumbnails, sorry, what templates it feels you would like to use. So what I would do is I would just, for demo purposes, select this template. They have a wide variety of templates that you can use. Again, there's a training video on how to use the editor once you've selected your template. So what I would do is I'm going to get rid of the last template that I had, and I'm going to play around with this template. So I'm just going to leave this as how to, so let's just say how to make money. I can also change this picture, so instead of having this lady, I can have this personalized, so I can replace the image. As you can see, I'm going to size it up. So we can size that up like that. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward to use. I can decrease that. Just going to reduce the size. So I'm just going to leave it like that. As you can see, it's a lot more eye-catching than what I had before. You can save this template and use it again. You can save this as a JPEG, or you can do save and continue. Then it gives you another training video on how to publish your videos. I'm just going to click out of that, and I can decide to put a watermark on this video if I'm working with clients, or I can decide to just publish to YouTube, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to publish to YouTube. It might take a while to show on YouTube, but I'll just do publish. And it's published to YouTube. If you want to check, before I do that, I'm just going to show you some of the other features of this piece of software. You got something called A1 Image Analyzer. To be honest, I haven't really used this particular feature that much. What I've used is split test. So with the split test, you can more or less split test a couple of images to see which one your prospects click on the most once it's in YouTube. So that's a good feature. So you can have two thumbnails and do a split test to find out which of your thumbnails does the best. So that's a brief demo of the software. I'm going to be doing a much more detailed review in the future once I use this piece of software extensively. But as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to use. If I go to my channel, right, as you can see, just by implementing Thumbnail Blaster, my views are actually up, and overall in the last 28 days, even my watch time is up. So I would strongly recommend Thumbnail Blaster. I will leave a link in the description below. I think you can pick it up for a low price of $19 right now, and yeah, use it in your video marketing business, and I can guarantee you get some good results with it. With that said, do not forget to click on the subscription button so that you can receive notifications from me anytime I shoot a video. I'll be doing videos every single day going forward, and I look forward to your company. Thanks, and see you soon. Bye.